Hello everyone, in this video we will see the different branches of accounting. As a result of economic, industrial and technological developments through the ages, different specialized fields in accounting have emerged. We will go through these branches to define and differentiate what each is all about. The different branches of accounting are financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, auditing, taxation, accounting information system, fiduciary accounting and forensic accounting. The first and main branch of accounting is financial accounting. Financial accounting is nothing but our normal accounting. Financial accounting involves recording and classifying business transactions and preparing and presenting financial statements to be used by internal and external users. In the preparation of financial statement, a strict compliance with generally accepted principles are followed. So moving on to the next branch of accounting, which is a cost accounting. So cost accounting is often considered as a branch of management accounting. Cost accounting refers to the recording, presentation and analysis of manufacturing cost. Cost accounting is very useful in manufacturing business since they have the most complicated costing process. Cost accountants also analyze actual cost versus budgets or standards to help determine future course of action regarding the company's cost management. Moving on to the next one, which is a management accounting. Management accounting focus on providing information for use by its internal users, that is the management. This branch deals with the needs of management rather than strict compliance with generally accepted accounting principles. Management accounting involves financial analysis, budgeting, forecasting, cost analysis, evaluation of business decision and the any areas which are directly related to the management. Next comes is auditing. Auditing refers to the examination of financial statements by an independent party with the purpose of expressing an opinion as to fairness of presentation and compliance with the GAAP. It focuses on evaluating the adequacy of a company's internal control structure by testing the segregation of duties, policies and procedures. So next branch of accounting is tax accounting. Tax accounting helps clients to follow rules set by tax authorities. It includes tax planning and preparation of tax return. It also involves determination of income tax and other taxes, tax advisory services such as ways to minimize the tax liability, evaluation of consequences of tax decision and other related matters. So next branch is accounting information systems. Accounting information system involves the development, installation, implementation and monitoring of accounting procedures and system used in accounting process. It includes the employment of business forms, accounting personnel direction and software management. So next branch is fiduciary accounting. Fiduciary accounting involves handling of accounts managed by a person entrusted with the custody and management of a property for the benefit of another person. Example of fiduciary accounting include trust accounting, receivership and estate accounting. The best example for fiduciary accounting would be the books of a lawyer or books of an insurance agent. In lawyer firm, lawyer would be receiving a lump sum amount from the client and he would be spending the same money on as the case demands. Here, lawyer would be responsible for customer money and he should spend the customer money wisely. So another best example would be insurance agents who receives insurance premium from the customer insurance premium from the customer. So when he receives the insurance premium from the customer, he would be liable to pay and pass on the same insurance premium to the insurance company. So law firm and insurance agents are the best example for fiduciary accounting. So next comes in forensic accounting. Forensic accounting involves court and litigation cases, fraud investigation, claims and dispute resolution, and other areas that involve legal matters. This is one of the popular trends in accounting today. Earlier days, branches of accounting had only three main branches, that is financial accounting, cost and management accounting. But as the society develops and industrial and technological development through the ages, different branch of accounting have emerged.